Understanding GPS Navigation, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and useful topic in the English language: GPS navigation. Whether you're traveling, driving, or just curious about technology, understanding this phrase can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in and learn together. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It's a technology that uses satellites in space to provide location and time information anywhere on Earth. When we talk about GPS navigation, we are referring to the use of GPS technology to help guide us from one place to another. This is commonly used in cars, smartphones, and other portable devices. GPS navigation is made up of three main components. 1. Satellites. These orbit the Earth and send signals. 2. Receivers. Devices like your phone or car's navigation system receive signals from the satellites. 3. Data processing. The receiver calculates your exact location and helps plan the route to your destination. Understanding these components helps in appreciating how GPS navigation works. Using GPS navigation is quite simple. 1. Enter destination. Type in where you want to go. 2. Choose a route. The GPS system suggests various routes. Pick one that suits you best. 3. Follow directions. The system provides step-by-step directions, often with voice guidance. Remember, while using GPS navigation, it's important to stay aware of your surroundings for safety. GPS navigation isn't just for long trips. It's used in various everyday scenarios like finding the nearest restaurant or gas station, tracking exercise routes while jogging or cycling. Emergency services use it to reach people quickly. Understanding these uses can help you appreciate the importance of GPS navigation in daily life. That's all about GPS navigation. I hope this video helps you understand and use this wonderful technology more confidently. Remember, GPS navigation is a tool that makes our lives easier and safer. Thanks for watching, and happy navigating!